I've got one of Hitachi's diamond grit drill bits here. They come in sizes from 3/16 up to 1 1/4 inch. They're great for drilling in granite, marble, class 5 porcelain, slate, even glass. If you are working on tile, they also have a vertical surface kit. What this does is drips a small stream of water steadily on the drill bit while you're drilling in vertical surfaces. Great, wonderful, and very helpful. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure that you have a small puddle of water on the material you're trying to drill through, like so. Next, you're going to want to start the drill at an angle to start the cut. What this will do is allow the drill to get grip and have a positive placement so that it's not sliding around the work surface. Produces a perfectly smooth hole.